slap-on panel. I like that. You know, this is all because the lantern, there's an old controller, because the lantern comes on to indicate when it's moving. Watch. So the green one's going to come up as the motor turns on.
Look at the airlock.
I'll have to get a look at that at the top. Oh, this is sick. It doesn't pre-door, it's 2-speed. Whoa.
Go over my flashlight. Just want to see what it's like.
Type that. Alright, let's head back down. Oh, look at that. You're right. There's where the motor room stairs are. Back. Let's look at this other panel here. Oh look, those are instructions to use the elevator. Oh look, Haughton. That's pretty epic. I think it just sits open. That's it.